Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine, and I hope you all have taken your exam also nicely. Now today we will basically have a class on the revision. Okay, I will be trying to highlight on each part, means about the generally, especially about unit test rather. So in unit test, I hope you all have got idea regarding what can be your question paper, or how means the type you all have already understood. So you need to focus on each and every part of your grammar part or your later part, means regarding the format and all. As you all have already noticed that maybe the question can be like, on everything is exactly the same, only one single word is different, so you need to be minute observer. Okay, especially in case of true false and all. And for grammar part, all the rules and functions, everything you need to know thoroughly, you need to learn them thoroughly. And whatever worksheets are done so far, you need to practice them again and again, so that you can concentrate, you can do better next time, right? So worksheets you need to do carefully, functions you need to learn carefully, and about the format of both the letters you need to concentrate more. Now today you will get in your study material and worksheet, both in both the parts you will get some revision work. Okay, now you need to be very much careful about that you should not means turn the pages of your exercise book, rather try to do, you have already done those maybe, so you need not to turn the pages, only try to do again. If you can do that, then that means you are 100% ready. Now today I will again try to remind you the formats again. That is, in first I will discuss friendly letter. In friendly letter, sender's address means the person, that means you who is writing the letter, his or her address of 3 lines will be at the very beginning, at the very top of the sheet, with comma, comma, full stop pattern. Then comes date, and in both the letters no punctuation on the date part. I repeat, no punctuation on the date part. Then comes my dear, M capital, D small, and if you are writing to your friend, let's suppose your friend's name is Anil. So my dear Anil, M capital, D small, Anil, A capital. Then you will put a comma, then from the very next line you will start your letter. So your introduction of the letter, the first line, opening sentence should be linked with the topic, and within 3 lines you need to complete your introduction. Then comes the body part, where you will have to focus on, you have to rather clearly elaborate whatever is asked in the question paper. If the question will be the question will be definitely sequential, and you need to you need to discuss all the parts. Then conclusion. In conclusion, again the concluding line, the first line definitely should be linked with the topic. Then let us come to the subscription part. There you will write yours affectionately. If you are going to write with love, then with love, yours affectionately, then your only name. With love, comma, yours affectionately, comma, then your name, only name, and put a full stop. So this is the pattern. If you want to write yours lovingly, then don't write with love. Okay, if you want to write yours lovingly, then no need to write with love, only your name and full stop. And if you want to write yours affectionately, then write with love, yours affectionately, with love, comma, W capital, L small, comma, yours affectionately, Y capital, then yours affectionately, full, then A obviously small, then comma, then your only name. Suppose your name is Rahul, so you are going to write only Rahul, then put a full stop. This is friendly letter. And in case of formal letter, everything is more or less same, except the first part you will write your own address first, house number, H capital, N capital, B20, comma, then you will write suppose Saratpalli, comma, then Midnapur, put a small hyphen, then put your pin code 712201 or 02, whatever it is, then full stop. Then comes date portion. Date portion again no punctuation. Then in case of formal letter you need to write the address of the person whom you are writing, and that means receiver's address, and receiver's address must be of 4 lines. So if you are writing a letter to your principal, it will be the principal, T capital, P capital, then Vidyasagar Shishu Niketan, then Rangamati, then Midnapur 721102, put a full stop. Everywhere the principal, comma, Vidyasagar Shishu Niketan, comma, then Rangamati, comma, then Midnapur pin code, then full stop. Then comes dear madam, not ma'am. Okay, it will be dear madam, D capital, M capital, then put a comma. Then from the very next line start your letter. Obviously opening sentence should be directly linked with the topic. Then within 3 lines you will complete your introduction. Then comes body part, where you will be writing the reason behind writing your letter. Then you will focus on each part as mentioned in the question paper. Then comes conclusion, again the concluding line. The first line of your conclusion part will be definitely linked with the topic. So this is the format. Then comes subscription. In the subscription part you will write thanking you, T capital, Y small, thanking you, comma, yours faithfully, Y capital, F small, comma, then your full name. Suppose your name is Rahul Roy, so you will write Rahul Roy, then put a full stop. So this is the format of formal letter. And in case, so in our unit test portion we have grammar and letter, both the letters. So now you need to focus as it is mentioned, as it is discussed in each and every chapter of grammar. So you need to, if you need, you can go through those chapters again and again. And the most important thing is you need to read each and every line of your book, okay, and you need to practice each and every worksheet. I hope it's going to be helpful to you all. Try to do your work perfectly, try to answer all the questions in proper time. I wish you best of luck. In my next class I will be definitely discussing on the some other things, and in between if you need something, if you want me to discuss a specific part, please let me know through by sending me email, and I will be definitely trying to make your doubts clear on my next class. So keep on reading, this is the only solution right now. Try to remain safe and fit. Thank you, have a nice day.